Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to give you guys a quick portfolio update for my rent portfolio, my fund portfolio, just a very small portfolio that I just play with. And basically, the gist of this portfolio, if you're new to this, I have a small portfolio where I just put the money that I earn from YouTube into the portfolio, which is usually like $100 to $200 a month. So it's a very small amount of money that I put in there every month. And I'm just building position in some high yield dividends stuff, so I can use the money just to like pay my rent or something like that, just for fun. But yeah, very small amount. So anyway, I'm gonna record the screen on my phone, take you in there. Gonna be a really quick video today. I just got back from the gym. Actually, I'm about to hop in the shower, so thought I'd shoot this really quick while I can. So record the screen really fast. 3, 2, 1, bam. Open up Webull. This is where my small account is. I'll put it here. I'll refresh it. You can see right now the small account is valued at $3,715. I've got $31 in cash. Okay, so let's look at the positions. Now, I was selling, or doing basically a wheel strategy on Rigetti to earn some income, just because I had some extra cash and I didn't want to average into Misty because it was above my cost average. But so I've been doing that. I'm probably going to get rid of Rigetti. It's just here just for fun, just because I was doing the wheel. But Misty is the main position here. If I open this up, you can see if it loads, I've got 120 shares of Misty now. I added 20 shares on Friday, and my cost average is 22.42. So it's slightly right now Misty's trading slightly below my cost average. So that's why I'm buying more Misty now. So what I'm planning on doing is let's see what's this Rigetti trade doing. On my Rigetti position, I've got, maybe I'll show you. I'm waiting for the internet. Life in China, internet sometimes really sucks. Come on, man. Come on, man. Anyway, I've got 100 shares of this. Actually, let me do it back here. Let's try this way. If I go here, okay, you can see here, I got 100 shares. It's my cost, it says is 12.31. You see versus 11.50 over there, right below 12.31. That's my cost average. So as soon as this gets above 12.31, I can let this go and I'll get $1,231 or $1,250 or whatever the price is when I sell this, and I'll put that money into Misty since it's below my cost average, and that way I'll have a bigger position in Misty, hopefully closer to 200 shares, and we'll make a lot more money to pay rent with. And you're asking, how do I pay rent with this? Well, like I just said, I live in China. Really quick, super fast, and then we'll end this video. I'm going to show you my spreadsheet on this portfolio so you can see how it's performing so far. New screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right. So here's the spreadsheet on this portfolio. Misty, 120 shares. You can see my cost average. Hopefully you can see that it's 22.42. And the share price is 21.15, so it is down. And then here's my Rigetti position, 100 shares, 12.31 my cost average. Here the price is 11.40, so you can see it was down yesterday a little bit. Let's go check out the returns on this portfolio. I'll make it bigger here, so you can see market return on Misty right now is 152. It was positive all across the board, but recently it hasn't been performing very well. But you can see my total return, positive $582. Market return is negative 5%. Or 5.5%, and the total return is positive 21.66%. And you see my Rigetti position. The reason why these numbers are different here is because I've been selling options and getting income on this, so it has made the total return different than the market return, and I'll share that with you in just a second. So if you look down here, the dividend log. So here are the two positions in the portfolio. You can see for the month of June, this month, Misty paid me $147, okay, and Rigetti paid me $46.93 in options premium. That's how much I've made so far. Now on Monday, when the market opens, I will probably sell another option for $12.50, and hopefully it'll go up to $12.50, and I'll get rid of it, and I'll have $1,250 in cash plus the options premium. That's hoping, but the way things are in the world right now, it might not be very likely to happen. But let's go look over here really quickly, and then we're done. Right now, you can see this is the total for the month so far. 100. Why is this? Why is it not here? How much is this? 46.93. Let's put this in here. 46.93. This is my. Oh, I don't need to put that in there. I didn't sell anything. Never mind. Anyway, hey, what's up with this stupid thing? Okay, so anyway, like I said, here's the total. $194 is how much I've made so far for the month of June. I will sell some more options premium, stuff like that. So you're asking, how is this portfolio paying my rent? Well, like I said, I live in China. My rent here is very, very cheap. I pay $200 a month, maybe $205 a month, depends on the exchange rate. But $200 a month is typically what I pay for my rent alone. And you can see last month I made $289. So last month I made enough money with this tiny portfolio, $3,000 portfolio, to pay my rent and my utilities. This month we got $194. Still got 2 more weeks left. So I can sell some options premium and get over $200, I'm sure. So I will make enough money to pay my rent with this portfolio. But probably not going to make a lot more than that though. But if we can get rid of this Rigetti position, especially at $12.50, actually I can get rid of it at $12.31. I will get all my money back plus extra because I've made options premium. So I will be a positive total return. If I do that, then I can put that $1,230 or $1,250 into Misty, increasing my position and getting even more dividends next month, hopefully, if Misty keeps paying well. So that's what's going on in the small portfolio right now. Every month around the 21st, when I get paid from YouTube, I deposit the money into this portfolio. So soon I will put some money in here. And I guess next week, I think so. Or next week, well, 2 weeks from now, because it's 21st on the weekend. So I'll have to wait till the Monday after that. So like the 23rd or so, I'll deposit more money in this account. And I'll update you guys on the progress of that and if I bought more Misty or not. So stay tuned. More videos coming soon. If you want to check out my other portfolios, I have a Roth IRA here, and I've also got a regular taxable brokerage here. They're in the playlist on my YouTube channel if you're interested in checking those videos out. And of course, sometimes I make some other videos as well and share my thoughts and experiences investing in high yield dividends and some other stuff. So any videos you guys want to see related to anything about money, finance, investing, budgeting, all this kind of stuff, I'm more than happy to make those videos for you guys and share with you more about how I manage my money and live my life abroad as, an expat, an American who lives and travels and things like that. And I am traveling soon. In a couple weeks, I will be leaving China and going somewhere else. So there's that. So anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. I'm going to go hop in the shower. See you guys next time.